I drank a bucket of water. This in Arabic would translate to Sharibtu dalwan ma'an. This sentence, I can say it in two different other ways. The first one, I can simply say Sharibtu dalwa ma'in. Look at the difference. And the second other way, I can say Sharibtu dalwan min ma'in. All of these three ways would mean the same thing. This is because there is no single pattern when you want to speak any language. You can always try to phrase and rephrase your sentences and statements as long as they are following the grammatical order. Let's consider the first sentence. It says Sharibtu dalwan ma'an. If we recall, in the last two episodes we discussed tamise. What we said, tamise simply means disambiguation, a way of explaining any word that is so ambiguous and not understood. I give an example. If I had said Sharibtu dalwan, I drank a bucket, what would be the question coming to your mind? You would ask me, a bucket of what? But by simply adding ma'an, it translates the complete meaning. It gives you the complete meaning. It shed more light on the word dalwan. So the word dalwan is the word mumayyaz, is the word that is ambiguous, that needs to be clarified. While the word ma'an, it is the tamyiz. It is the word that is explaining and disambiguating that word that was difficult to understand. Now, in terms of measurement, in terms of weighing, and even in terms of distance, length, this tamyiz could be used in three different ways, and that is what we had seen. The first one, Sharibtu dalwan ma'an. The tamyiz is coming with what? Fatha, as we know it to be. The second way, Sharibtu dalwa ma'in. The tamyiz now is coming with Kisra as what? Mudafun ilay. Ma'in, dalwa ma'in. In the third way, Sharibtu dalwan min ma'in. So the tamyiz, the word ma'in, it is also coming in the jar case with Kisra, but now it is coming after a harfu jar. So it is the harfu jar that makes it to be in the jar case carrying Kisra. Now coming back to our book An-Nahl al-Wadih, we have the topic Hukmu Tamyiz al-Wazni wal-Kayli wal-Misaha, the ruling guiding al-Wazn, which is measurement, al-Kayl, which is scaling or weighing, and al-Misaha, which is measurement in terms of length, distance. Now we have a lot of examples. The first one says, the first one says, Sharibtu ritlan labanan, I drank a rattle of what? Milk, labanan. So you can see the form in which it is coming. You could say this in a different way by saying Sharibtu ritla labanin. Instead of ritlan labana, it becomes ritla labalin, or you can say ritlan min labanin. This is very easy. Second example says awqadtu qintaran fahman, I lit a quintal of coal. So you can say qintaran fahman or qintara fahmin or qintaran min fahmin. Learn the three ways. The third example says indi mithqalun dhahaban, I have a weight of gold. You can say this in a different way, mithqalu dhahabin. You can even say mithqalun min dhahabin. MashaAllah. Now number 4 we have akala al-hisanu hafnatan sha'iron. The horse ate a handful of barley. So you can say hafnatan sha'iron, aw hafnata sha'irin, aw hafnatan min sha'irin. Very simple. Number 5, Sharibtu kuban ma'an, I drank a cup of water. How can you say this in a different way? Sharibtu kuba ma'in or kuban min ma'in. MashaAllah. Number 6 we have ishtaraitu qadahan simsiman, I bought a way or a measurement of what? Sesame seed. Aw qadaha simsimin, aw qadahan min simsimin. Good. Number 7 we have bi'tuhu dhira'an hariran, I sold to him a handspan of silk. So you can see dhira'an harirun. Or you can say أو ذراع حرير أو ذراعا من حرير. Number 8, لا أملك شبرا أرضا. I do not have even a leg span or a hand span of land. So I can say أو شبر أرض أو شبرا من أرض. Lastly, زرعت فدانا أرزا. زرعت فدانا أرزا. That is, I planted a field of rice. So أو فدانا أرز أو فدانا من أرز. MashaAllah. Now to the short explanation we have here. البحث تأمل المميز في الأمثلة المتقدمة. You are to look at the al-mumayyaz words in the previous examples. What are those words? The words before the last words. تجده من أسماء الوزن في الأمثلة الثلاثة الأولى. You will see that all of these words in the first 3 examples, they appeared as words of measurement, like the word رطلا, كنطارا, and مثقالا. ومن أسماء الكيل في الأمثلة الثلاثة الثانية. In the second 3 examples, in example number 4 to 6, you will see that they are appearing as names of what? Scaling or weighing. Like we have hafnatan, we have kuban, we have what? Qadahan. Now, وَمِنْ أَسْمَاءِ الْمَسَاحَةِ فِي الْأَمْثِلَةِ الثَّلَاثَةِ الْأَخِيرَةِ. In the last 3 examples, they appear as names of length or distance. وَتَأَمَّلِ الْتَمْيِيزَ فِي الْأَمْثِلَةِ الْمُتَقَدِّمَةِ أيضا. Check all of the tamyiz, the last words in all of the previous examples. تجده يأتي في كل منها على صور ثلاث. You'll find out that they are appearing in 3 different ways. فهو يكون منصوبا. Either it appeared as in the first examples as mansub with fatha, ويكون مجرورا بالإضافة, or it is appearing with kisra due to إضافة, which makes it to be what? مضاف إليه. ويكون مجرورا بمن, or it is appearing after the word min. That is all. Now coming to al-qawaid, the only rule we have here says يجوز في تمييز الوزن والكيل والمساحة أن ينصب. It is allowed that when you use tamyiz of weighing, measurement, and scaling, measurement, scaling, and distance, that it is allowed for you to make the word to be mansub in the accusative case carrying fatha. وأن يجرب الإضافة, and that you can also make it to be carrying kisra due to إضافة, or be min, or make it to appear after min, and the word will now carry kisra. So this is the simple topic today. So when next you have sentences similar to this, you can decide to fine-tune it and say it in different ways. Sharibtu kuban ma'an, I drank a cup of water. Sharibtu kuban min ma'in, or sharibtu kuba ma'in. Until we meet, make sure you like, share with your friends. Importantly, hit on the join button below to be part of our membership for members only content. Don't forget to visit our store so you can get some of our books that will be of benefit to you. Until we meet, MashaAllah, ma'as salama.